It's John Champion and Jim Beglin alongside me here at Old Trafford.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here.
The teams then, Juventus against Real Madrid. And we're off. Tries to slide it past the defence. Now Toni Kroos. Cristiano Ronaldo. Tried to play it through. Modric. Toni Kroos. Emre Can. It's come through to him. Can he now find a finish? Here's a shot. Well, that was really close, but you get nothing for being close.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better, and any other time it would have sneaked in. That will encourage another try, though. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Cristiano Ronaldo. And the keeper's there to claim it.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Here's Matuidi. Now Matuidi. Now through to Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's not taking any risks there. To the back. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Just off target.
Yeah, but the fans still love this guy. I mean, he'll keep having a go from any distance, never stops trying. Just didn't happen for him that time.
And Marcelo. It's on for him. Benatia. They're breaking out quickly here. The ball's with Higuain. Now through to Cristiano Ronaldo. The ball's with Toni Kroos. He's got in. Now Toni Kroos. Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. Here's Marcelo. Here comes the cross. A great ball in, it deserved a better fate.
Oh, that's a more than decent cross into the box, but the defence was rock solid. There was nobody left to attack the ball.
A fine display of slick passing. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
Scuraro. Toni Kroos. Here's Modric. Marcelo. He plays it through. Oh, it's been cut out. Chance for a counter then. He goes looking for his teammate. He's onside. The defence will have to be on its toes with this throw. It's a poor clearance. Cristiano Ronaldo. Looking to carve open the defence. Toni Kroos. Got it. Scuraro. Toni Kroos. Challenge poor. Foul called. And now the counter-attack. Higuain plays this forward. And Juventus with a free kick. It's that familiar gunslinger pose again. What can Cristiano Ronaldo do from this free kick? The keeper always the favourite there.
Yeah, I'm sure he was trying to place it in the corner of the net, but he's not likely to score by firing straight at the keeper.
And he'll shoot! He's unlucky not to score there.
Oh, listen, to come that close is a really, really good attempt, and judging by the crowd's reaction, they thought he'd done enough too.
Now Tony Cruz. An illegal challenge, says the ref. And Real Madrid with a set piece. He can have a go from here. And he has a go. It's a really good try, but no goal.
Well, when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
Isco. Now through to Benzema. Got the man there, surely. Yep, free kick given. Definitely within range, this. And he'll go direct! No, it's too high. Scuraro. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Loses out in a position of some promise. Here's Higuain. Emre Can. Cristiano Ronaldo on the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. From distance, it lacked accuracy.
Well, it's good that he has the confidence to try from that distance, but it's becoming predictable now.
Paulo Dybala. Scuraro. The ball's with Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! And they escape imminent danger. The whistle goes to signal the midway point of this game.
Look, this is a real case of poor finishing as much as anything. They've created the chances, at least that's the important thing.
Neither side conceding a goal then. It is 0-0. Juventus against Real Madrid. Free kick given by the referee. And Marcelo. Paulo Dybala. Higuain. Scuraro. It's opened up nicely for him, and he makes absolutely no mistake. We finally have the goal that this game needed. It is scintillating to watch.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They get us underway at 1-0.
Well, when you look around the dressing room and think, who can I depend on? This is the guy for me. He's such a wonderful technician. Well, it's a sharper cutting edge they need in front of goal.
Now through to Matuidi. And a sublime header. He just took too long there.
Yeah, he just gave the defence too much time to regroup. In the end, he was forced into rushing it.
He knocks it in. Here's Matuidi. Now Matuidi. Drives it in. No, that's not going to make it. Emre Can. Modric. Higuain. Scuraro. Creator of one goal already. We've reached the hour mark.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Now through to Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, flag up. Just offside then. He'd straight off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty alert. Here's Toni Kroos. That's a trick. And Real Madrid with a set piece. A ball in. Emre Can. Break is on. Kebab. Now through to Cristiano Ronaldo. Opportunity for a goal. No, not on this occasion.
Well, the space was there, the time was there.
Now Isco. Kelly. Intercepted.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
He's looking to play it into the channel. Paulo Dybala. Emre Can. Matuidi. Wants to get this forward. Through and still going. A cross coming in. Emre Can. He's got in. Sergio Ramos makes the interception. We're into the final quarter of an hour. Casemiro wants to get this forward. Puts it backwards. And the shot from distance. An absolute thunderbolt. He has scored an absolute wonder goal. And how critical might that be for Real Madrid? He needed no second invitation to shoot.
Well, with the defence facing him, he had to get that right, and he did. I thought that was a very well-worked goal.
The game restarts with the scores level again.
Listen, with the momentum that goal gives them now, they may well push for a winner before the 90 minutes is up. Players don't like extra time.
And the chance accepted with some aplomb. Could this be it for them? That is simply unsavable. They've got a precious one-goal lead.
Oh, look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Here's Marcelo. The pass needed to be better there. Scuraro. Higuain. Toni Kroos. It's on for him.
Well, if they're going to see this through, they'll need to keep the teamwork really strong and show good togetherness and spirit. They can't allow the work rate to drop.
Emre Can. Paulo Dybala. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, that's a vital block. Casemiro. Modric on the ball. The ball's with Toni Kroos. Toni Kroos. No, it was cut out. And here he comes. He gets his shot away. Looking to thread it through. Cristiano Ronaldo. And back in.
Oh my!
It's in. They've taken a giant leap towards winning this game. The keeper just didn't deal with it, and his team has paid the price.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
There's the final whistle, signalling the end of 90 minutes. A well-deserved win for them here as they went out fully focused and put everything into the contest, and they've come away with the win that they wanted.